Welcome to Medan Drone Shot, where your story is captured from a whole new perspective. A place where vision meets trust, where your moments are transformed into powerful visual experiences. We have proudly documented projects for major companies, from Pelindo at Kuala Tanjung Port to Pelindo at Belawan Port in Medan, the largest port in North Sumatra. Our lens has captured the mashtab of industry at PT Gold Coin, located in the Medan Industrial Estate, and the vibrant energy of the city, from bustling bazaars at Benting Field to the lively car-free day around Merdeka Square. Trusted in cinematic productions, we contributed to the film Ayuyo shown in theaters, and brought to life the presence of Nyegakon in Medan. And this is only the beginning, because with Medan Drone Shot, we don't just capture moments, we create them together.